Hello, and welcome to Administration of Justice 120 of the fall semester. My name is Charles Gibson, and I'm your instructor for this course. I have 30 years of law enforcement experience as an Oakland police officer and 10 years as the police chief for the Contra Costa Community College District. I retired in 2015. They took my badge, they took my gun, and even took my police car. All I have left is this hat and 40 years of law enforcement experience to share with you. In this class, we'll discuss and analyze current and past events that are reshaping the entire justice system. This is the only course I teach, so you have my full attention, except when I'm out in the ocean pursuing my passion, trying to catch a whale. I'm so glad you're taking this course, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.